If you come into Central Park at the north end, near West 110th Street and Central Park West, stop by the Frederick Douglass Sculpture and Water Wall. The memorial to the formerly enslaved abolitionist is a result of the efforts of a combo of artists. You could say that the Douglass Memorial serves as a gateway to Harlem from the west side, with Duke Ellington presiding over the east side at East 110th Street. You'll see the occasional skateboarder, and most people pass by as they come in and out of the area. There's a subway stop there also, but the memorial has quite a bit to look at. Central Park West turns into Frederick Douglass Boulevard at this intersection as you proceed into Harlem. The memorial has several elements. The water fountain and circle were designed by Algernon Miller. An artist based in Harlem, Miller designed the stone seating and the pavings on the ground on patterns of African American quilts. The fountain has constellations to remind us of the Underground Railroad passengers who were guided by the stars going north to freedom to escape enforced enslavement in the South of the United States. The sculpture of Douglass was created by Gabriel Koren, a Hungarian-born artist. He based the bronze statue on 19th century photographs. By the way, Mr. Douglass was a progressive person, embracing photography as he believed it portrayed events and situations as reality, particularly those of peoples who were still enslaved. So it is interesting that the sculpture was based on photos of him. The project was pulled together by an architectural firm and a foundry for the pouring of the sculpture. The boulevard was named in 1950, but plans for the memorial did not begin until 1970. These were scrapped, and it was another 20 years before plans were made again. Finally, in 2010, the Plaza opened with final construction completed in 2011. You may not associate New York City with Frederick Douglass, but he spoke several times in Brooklyn, and actually he lived upstate in Rochester for about 25 years during his lifetime. He's buried there now. So before I headed uptown to explore Harlem, or downtown to explore Midtown, or into Central Park, take time to look at the stones and read his sayings and information about his life. I'm the NYC Traveler, and we've been in Manhattan at Central Park West / Frederick Douglass Boulevard and West 110th Street at the Frederick Douglass Memorial Plaza, Fountain, and Statue.